Hello my dear children, in this video we shall be learning more about nests of birds. Before we see the different types of nests built by different birds, we shall know why birds build nests. Let's get started children. Birds build their nest to lay and hatch their eggs, to protect their eggs and baby birds from enemies, to protect themselves from harsh weather and enemies. The type of nest and places where they build varies among birds, and nests are made up of twigs, cotton, dry leaves, stones and thread. Moving on to the first type of nest, you can see the tailor bird's nest. The tailor bird sieves its nest with its beak. It uses thread, wool and vegetable fiber to sieve the leaves together. It either folds one big leaf and sieves the edge together, or sieves together more than one leaf. Next in the picture you can see the weaver bird's nest. The weaver bird uses twigs and grass to make its big and strong nest. The nest hangs from a tree and looks like a bottle hanging upside down. Next you can see is a woodpecker. Woodpecker makes its nest in the tree trunks. It uses its chisel-like beak to make a big hole in the tree trunk and then line the hole with wooden chips to make the nest cozy. Next we shall see the penguin's nest. The penguin, as you all know, lives in cold places. It makes its nest on the ground with pebbles and stones it collects. Next, we will be seeing the nest of a sparrow. The sparrow makes its nest with grass, leaves, straw and cotton. It makes nest in a tree or a house or any other protected place. In the second picture, you can see the vulture's nest. The vulture uses sticks, twigs to make its nest, which looks like a shallow cup. It makes its nest on high trees. Let's see how the birds care for their young ones. The mother bird lays eggs in the nest. Both mother and father birds take turns to keep the egg warm by sitting on them. The chicks hatch out after a few days by breaking the eggshell. The chicks are weak and do not have any feather at this time. The parent birds feed them, keep them warm and protect them from enemies. When the chick grows a little, the parent bird teaches them to fly and to gather food children. This was about the nest children. Thank you.